Too much to do, staying late to keep up, been there, done it. In 15 years of leading teams through some really difficult times, there have been plenty of nights where I've been stuck in the office too long, sometimes to the point where it made me ill. Did you know 79% of those working more than 50 hours a week report symptoms of burnout? If you're in the office more than 55 hours a week, you have increased risk of heart disease and stroke. These are proper scientific studies, peer-reviewed, published in top journals. Working late could actually be killing you. The longer you do it, the more stress you put on your body and brain, and the less time you have to recover. So the quality of your work goes down, you fall further behind, so you can't stop staying late. It's a vicious downward spiral. If you're there, I really feel for you. I remember one night I was in the office after 7 o'clock again when my wife called to find out where I was. As soon as I answered, she could just tell I was still at my desk, and even before she said anything, I knew she was upset and disappointed. And then she said, "Ben, you have to sort this out. The baby will be here soon and we're going to need you." She hung up, and I sat back looking at the spreadsheet I was working on and realised it really didn't matter. And I decided I had to change because I had to find a way to be there when the baby came. I read books like Getting Things Done by Dave Allen, Do It Tomorrow by Mark Forster. I watched videos, went on training courses and spent years testing different ideas and building my own system to keep me focused in the office, leaving on time and present for my family. And now, 15 years later, I've got an executive role, strategic responsibilities and management oversight of hundreds of people. And I do my share of the school runs, cooking and laundry. I play the guitar, go hiking with my wife and kids, because I've built a simple system that has just 5 easy steps. First, you have to get your mindset right so you really believe you can do your job in your normal work time. Next, you have to bite the bullet and do the one thing that will give you back your work time freedom, even though it's kind of scary at first. Steps 3 and 4 keep you on track with leaving on time and make sure you keep delivering in your job, even though you're working less hours. And then the final step is both the way you maintain your progress and the benefit of getting the other steps right. None of it is hard. You just have to focus and commit to the steps. I call this system the Worktime Freedom Formula, and I've put it into a compact, actionable mini course. Watch the 25-minute workshop, use the workbook to commit to the steps, and you'll be leaving the office on time tomorrow, just like I did. Just like my colleague Karen did. She was working 12 to 18-hour days and, in her own words, had no life. But the lessons I've built into the Worktime Freedom Formula got her down to 8 hours a day, having more impact, and helped her build meaningful social activity and relationships at home. So if you're stuck in that vicious cycle of late nights in the office, if you're feeling that increased risk of burnout, heart disease and stroke, if work is keeping you away from your recreation and relationships, just click the link in the description to find out more about the Worktime Freedom Formula. It keeps me sane, it got Karen her life back, it could help you too. So go check it out right now. I'll see you there.